Hey dudes, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mr. Rick Dude speaking. Today I have come here with a fantastic graphic designer tool which is Canva. We can use it for making certificates, Instagram posts, thumbnails, logo designing. It is very interesting dudes. Actually, I have used it. For my last few videos, I have just taken a photograph and written some catchy text in it. I didn't feel it very catchy though, so that I went into Canva and searched for thumbnails. When I went into Canva and searched for thumbnails, I felt it interesting. And now in the future videos, I'm just going to use thumbnails, dudes. Let's see how can we make a perfect thumbnail in Canva. Here we go, dudes. I can just go into canva.com. Log into my account. I'm already logged in, so that if you want to log in, you can use an account, free or paid account, but I'm using it for free for now for past few months. Even you can use a mobile app that I will show you. This is the mobile app, dudes. It's loading. Here, this is the mobile app. It is same as the web browser based. And now I will show you my last few workings. This is the home page. You can see everything that I have worked on all right here, right on my account. So this is super nice that even if you use another computer or you are somewhere else, you can access all your images. I have done some holes, booklets, logo designing, brochures. I'll show you one of my leaflets. This is what I have done for my competition, English competition. This is super nice to use, dudes. Now here are some logos, my real name in it. Very nice to use. My CS Blue Club I have done. This is for the book club, dudes. And now I'm going to show you some templates that you can see here. You can even type into search bar YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. The search will get this. And you can see different thumbnails with custom dimensions for YouTube. You can also create your own one. I'm just gonna click right here, open up a brand new one. You will see that have a lot of templates that you can repurpose into your brand name, your own title, your own picture, which makes things so easy. Because I don't know about you, but I struggle sometimes with creativity, dudes. Here are some full dribble Asus QX 2000 time lapse, real time doodling, illustrating design tutorial, Asian food lover, triangle Chinese cuisine. I will take this, dudes. Now I am going to edit it a little bit. Edit image. We can also brighten it and contrast it and saturate it. And I'm just going to upload one image. Upload media, photo library. I'm just going to upload this photo, dudes. That's it is coming over here. You can just crop it and expand it a little bit, dudes. See how nice it is. Now I'm going to type here how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Oh no, thumbnail. I typed it wrong. Now it is correct. Oh, why do I have a lot of spelling mistakes, dude? I don't know what happened to me. And I'm just going to edit it. Oh no. Okay, no, and I'm going to delete this. That's all. And what is, I'm just going to take this. This is a simple editing that I'm showing you, dudes. You can do many more like this. Okay, dudes, that's all. Dudes, now we can go to the elements and search for new things. And I'm going to add this question mark, which is really nice, that can color change. There are many options, dudes. If you can see, I have just added the image over here, that cute little image of mine. And the text, add a heading like this one, the bold, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, and you can also add a subheading and many things like this. And styles, I'm just going to click this thing. Nice, right, dudes? Shuffle, how to make a YouTube thumbnail. This looks like, so that I'm going to keep that. Videos, we can also add some beautiful videos, dudes, that can play while you are doing it. And background also we can add, dudes, but I'm just keeping it as simple for just now to show you guys. And I'm keeping it as simple. We can also add emojis. I'm just going to add, what emoji can I add, dudes? There are a lot of images to choose from. I don't know what I can choose. So that, yeah, this thing. We can all do the same thing. Chum. I'm just going to reduce the size. Oh no. Oh, yeah, now it's perfect. Now this is my YouTube thumbnail for this video, dudes. And I'm just going to click the download option. Download. And I'm going to click JPEG image. And now I'm going to click download, dudes. I will tell you a simple method. Why are we waiting for? Why are we waiting for, dudes? You can just click a screenshot and just crop it, and that's all. Our job is done. We can just add this. So that, why are we waiting for? Download, go to web-based and just type canva.com and start doing your own designs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you all loved this tutorial, and now let us end the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, dudes.